everyone. So I want to make a 3-needle bind off, and the first step to do that, since I want to close one half of this bonnet with the other half, is that I placed half the stitches onto a double pointed needle. If you have, for example, the front and the back of a sweater and you want to bind it off with a 3-needle bind off, you put the back and the front and put the right side of your work into the inside, so it is sandwiched in there. Next, you are going to pick up 1 stitch from the front needle and 1 stitch from the back needle, and you're going to knit those 2 stitches together. So you knit the back and you knit the front, and that's my new stitch there. You take those stitches off your needles, and then again you're going to pick up 1 stitch from the front, 1 stitch from the back, knit those 2 stitches together, and once you have those, bind off the first stitch over the second one. So let's do that again. You pick up from the front and from the back, knit them together, take them off your needles, bind off the first over the second one. Again, pick up the front and the back, knit them together, and now you pick up the first and place it over the second one, and then again the first with the back, knit them together, and then the first over the second one. So first the front and the back, knit those 2 stitches together, and now the first one goes over the second one, front and back, knit them together, take them off, and the first one goes over the last one. And this is the way it looks in the front. And I'll do a few more stitches and come back to show you how it looks on the other side. Okay, so I'm almost done with the row. So I still have 2 more on each needle. Knit these 2 together and bind off. Oh wait, because I'm using the last one. Okay, so knit the last 2 together, bind off, and I cut your yarn, and that's it. Pass that thread through and you're done. Let me show you how it looks on the other side. You see, that's where the 3-needle bind off was. So that's the way it looks, right in there. So very nicely finished, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share us with your friends, and I'll see you next time.